Welcome back. I wanted to do a small unboxing. I like to shop on Mercari. I used to have a little shop on there where I was selling Funko Pop figures. And just recently, I became a really big fan of JanSport. I have 3 mini backpacks, and I found these two on Mercari and bought them because they seem very unique. And I didn't know till I got into JanSport that they had limited edition, or like some other brands, they will do special runs that you can't buy on their site. You have to go to the particular store to buy them. So the first one that I have here is very unique, or at least I think it is. There might be some of you out there who actually have something like this. It is a corduroy JanSport backpack, and just wanted to show that off to you guys as much as I can. It is pretty cool as far as, like I said, it's corduroy. And it is an official JanSport backpack. Has the Hawaiian print on it, and it's a small backpack as far as, or maybe a medium-sized backpack. Has just the main compartment, and then it has a smaller compartment on the front, and it just has the typical material on the back and straps, padded straps. It's not perfect, and the sellers will tell you that. Has a little area here which can easily be folded over and sewed with the material. But I just thought this was really cool, and I think I paid $8 for it. I mean, it's a medium-sized backpack. It's really cool. And I'd never seen anything like it before. When I come across it on their site, one of those things I just had to have. The next one came today. Just now getting to open it up, and it is also unique as far as it is a canvas backpack. From what I understand, there's a store called Tilley, Tilley, and there was a run made by that store or for that store, or the designs. I'm not really sure. I can't find any information on it except that when the seller posts this item, or posted this item, I found something similar to it with the same pattern, same leather straps, same leather bottom. This is leather, this is not pleather, this is suede. That it was an exclusive that was through a store called Tilley, and I just thought, oh, it's awesome, because they're made out of, the normal backpacks are made out of some other type of material, which is okay. They're very stiff. It takes a long time to break them in, and I just thought, well, this is really cool. So I got this one as well, and this was a nice find too, and I think it was $7 or $8. It didn't cost much. It's the same size as the corduroy backpack. And just wanted to give you an idea of some of the things you could find on Mercari if you have items that you really like or collect. Sometimes you have opportunity to find something that you really like and is a unique find, and you will not ever find these in a store. Y'all have a great day.